Well, a stunning case comes to a close this morning. Sean Diddy Combs escaping the most serious charges in his sex trafficking and racketeering trial. Jurors finding the rapper and music mogul guilty of just 2 of those 5 charges against him. CB Cotton is there outside the courthouse now. So, CB, could he face any jail time?
Hey, Aisha, yeah, jail time is absolutely still on the table. But first, the judge will decide today at 5 p.m. local time whether Sean Diddy Combs should be released before he is sentenced at a later date. Prosecutors want him behind bars before he is sentenced, arguing that he committed crimes while still under investigation. Defense attorneys want him released with travel restrictions, arguing that a jury acquitted him on the most serious charges of racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking. A guilty verdict on either of those would have put Diddy behind bars for the rest of his life. Jurors, though, instead found him guilty on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution. Each count carries a max penalty of 10 years in prison. Ultimately, the judge will be the one to decide how much time Diddy spends behind bars. As the not guilty verdicts were read today, our courtroom producer heard excited screams inside and watched as Diddy's supporters kept saying yes in excitement. Our producer also heard sighs of relief and saw Diddy nodding his head. The judge even seemed to make a joke that he assumed Diddy did not want to go back to the federal detention center, and Diddy nodded his head. Now, once the judge left the bench, that's when our team saw even more emotion from Diddy, his mom and children, and those defense attorneys. Everyone was hugging and cheering. After the judge left the bench, Diddy was heard saying, "Thank God, I love you," several times, and people were shouting "Dream Team" towards the attorneys. This outcome is considered a win for the defense, and the government, who helped lead the investigation, released a statement saying, in part, prosecuting sex crimes requires brave victims to come forward and tell their harrowing stories. We and our law enforcement partners recognize the hardships victims endure and have prioritized a victim-centered approach to investigating and prosecuting these cases. Back out here live, Aisha, we are waiting to see what the judge decides this afternoon, whether Diddy should be released before he is sentenced at a later date. Back to you.
Okay, CB Cotton live for us in New York. CB, thank you.